Hello, I'm Matt Selhorst with HDR Engineering. I'm presenting an update on Lawrence County US 52 State Route 7 Corridor Safety Management Plan. The outcome of the study will be a plan for future improvements and implementation of projects to address traffic problems in the US 52 and State Route 7 corridors. As a reminder, the approach to this study is to update traffic, crash, and geometric information from a previous 2007 study to identify any deficiencies and needs that have been addressed to date on US 52 and State Route 7. The study includes stakeholder and public involvement, land use analysis, and scenario planning to evaluate future traffic demands, documenting existing and future conditions, analyzing needs, and providing recommendations for implementation of solutions. Work will also include an analysis of the pavement within the city of Ironton. An existing and future conditions analysis has been conducted to date. The reporting included identification and documentation on the corridor's traffic characteristics, traffic reliability and safety, and other problems. This included the travel time, speeds, volumes, crash analysis, capacity analysis, and geometric deficiencies. Following analysis of the data, a matrix was developed for locations along the corridor to bring together all of the data to show where there were issues and opportunities. The low travel time reliability, where at-grade intersections and driveways are present, development opportunities, congestion issues, high crash areas, and geometric deficiencies were all documented. Also marked were the locations where current projects and/or studies are currently underway. The areas that were shown to have a high crash density were included in at least two of the categories were highlighted. The darker orange color shows the areas that have more issues and opportunities for improvements. This is helping the study team to direct resources to determine additional improvements and to provide guidance on developing prioritization of funding in the future. Following identification of problems, alternatives are being analyzed for locations to determine a cost-effective improvement. Alternatives will include future technology solutions such as radio signals for crash avoidance. The analysis of the previous plan developed in 2007 included a review of the recommended improvements. Presented on this map shows the status of the recommendations. Projects shown in green are those that have been completed. Yellow is partial completion. Blue are those that are under current project development, either study, updated recommendations, or design. And red are those that have no progress since 2007. Of the 27 recommendations, 4 have been completed and 2 have been partially completed. This analysis is being used to help focus on those areas that need additional study and also determine a prioritization and implementation plan for the recommendations later on in this study process. Using our analysis, in addition to analyzing at-grade intersections and driveways along the corridor, we've identified a few areas for additional detailed concentration. These areas include the US 52, Orchard Hill Road, and State Route 93 areas, the US 52 and Ashland Bridge area, the US 52 County Road 1, County Road 15, and Grandview Avenue intersections, State Route 7 and the 6th Street Bridge in Chesapeake, and State Route 7 and the East Bridge ramps and intersections, along with State Route 7 and Irene Road intersections in East Lawrence County. To date, we have begun to evaluate the US 52 Orchard Hill Road, State Route 93 interchange in Ironton, and the US 52 County Road 1, County Road 15 Grandview area in greater detail. At the State Route 93 interchange, ODOT has recommended to develop roundabouts at each of the ramp intersections. These are currently under design. The previous US 52 corridor safety study recommended that the westbound US 52 exit ramp be eliminated and to move the exit ramp to the east side of the interchange as shown on the map. Additionally, local officials have requested that the at-grade intersection of US 52 and Orchard Hill Road to the west be closed to eliminate the potential for crashes and continue the movement of US 52 corridor to a limited access freeway. This change, though, would create a need to cross Storms Creek. Our team has coordinated with ODOT to determine that the design of the roundabout on the north side of US 52 could accommodate future improvements to this interchange area as shown on the map. This is one alternative, and we have began to develop other alternatives for this connection from State Route 93 to cross Storms Creek. Alternatives will be ready for the initial review at the end of this month. Additionally, we began to look at alternatives for the US 52, County Road 1, County Road 15, and Grandview Avenue intersections. A recommendation for the closure of County Road 1 and County Road 15 at US 52 and a new interchange to the west of Grandview Avenue was developed in 2015. However, the cost for this interchange is nearly prohibitive. Our team is investigating alternatives such as phasing the interchange with just an overpass first, or the possibility of an arc-cut design at the Grandview Avenue intersection. Again, the alternatives will be ready for initial review at the end of this month. The next steps for this study is to continue the analysis at the focused locations, collect pavement data in Ironton to develop the pavement management plan for the city, and to hold a public involvement meeting. This virtual meeting will be held on February 9th, 2021, in coordination with a public meeting that ODOT will hold for the US 52 and State Route 93 interchange. Information about the meeting will be distributed in January. Please let us know if there's any additional information to include or any revisions to the data to date. All of this information has been placed on the KYOVA website at www.kyovaipc.org. If you have any questions or comments on this information, please send them to me at 614-257-8353 or at matt.selhorst, SELHORST @hdrinc.com, or you can send it to Bethany Wild at KYOVA. Thank you.